What's up, foodie gang? Welcome to my channel. Today we are making a caramel banana French toast. Man, this is awesome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell, get that out the way. Now let's go ahead and get into these ingredients. So what I'm doing, I'm taking sweetened condensed milk and I'm putting it in the crock pot on high for 6 hours. That's right, 6 hours. And after the 6 hours, you should have caramel. You want to fill it up with water just to cover the can. I feel like you guys don't believe me, so let me just go ahead and show you. Alright, after the 6 hours, go ahead and open the can. Look at that. Got the caramel spilling all over the place. This is just to show you. Now, I had to put that can down because that can was extremely hot. I almost burned my little fingers off. Now let's get into these ingredients. I will list them in the description box for you guys to follow. And French toast, man, look at that bread. Look at my little personalized cutting board. You know, I had to put that in the video. Alright, so next we're going to go ahead and get our French toast mixture together. Milk, cinnamon, nutmeg, some melted butter. Then we're going to go ahead and add our egg in there. And then I'm also going to hit it with some bourbon vanilla extract as well. Again, that's going to add a nice flavor to the actual French toast mixture. So we're going to go ahead and mix that together and make sure it's well incorporated. Now, I will say that towards the end, I decided to, at the last second, add a teaspoon of sugar. Only a teaspoon because we already have enough sweets with the caramel. Alright, so look, this is how your banana is supposed to look. I love the brown spots. That means that they are ready to go. We're going to go ahead and cut them up. And now I diced them a little bit and then I had them cut some larger pieces just to kind of have around a plate. And we're going to go ahead and get this banana caramel sauce together. So we're going to melt about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter in the pan, a skillet. Then don't want to overcrowd the pan, but look at me. I'm talking about don't overcrowding it, but I end up overcrowding it. But just be careful with your bananas. Just, you know, have enough in there. I added some brown sugar. And then I hit it with some bourbon vanilla extract. Again, pretty much the same thing I had in the French toast mixture, you know, minus the brown sugar, of course. I'm going to show you how your banana is supposed to look. That beautiful color right there, that's amazing. You don't want the bananas to get mushy, but again, you just do want a nice color on that. We're going to take some of that caramel that we made earlier. And we're going to put it in the pan. We're going to let that simmer together and kind of reduce a little bit. And this is going to be the filling for our layers of the French toast, or topping, whatever way you want to do it. But I'm going to stack mine and I'll show you that later in the video. Again, you just want to reduce it for, I would say, about like 3 to 4 minutes on like a low to medium heat. You don't want to burn anything, and again, you don't want mushy bananas. Now let's get into our French toast. This is pretty easy. Don't have to walk you guys through this, but I will because that's how I am. Again, we're going to go ahead and make sure the bread is well incorporated with our mixture. I don't like my bread too soggy because, again, we're going to have that wet mixture of the bananas and the caramel to put in the middle, so we want it to be, you know, somewhat firm. Look at that color on that French toast, man. This is awesome. Perfect color. The cast iron always does an amazing job. So let's go ahead and layer and plate it. So we got our French toast. From there, we're going to go ahead and put our mixture in the middle. Look at that caramel, banana, all that. Man, I'm ready to eat this right away. Then we're going to hit it with some magic dust, which I call powdered sugar. So just hit it a little bit, and then I just kind of repeat for each layer. I end up doing about 3 layers on this for this recipe video. It turned out good. Again, this could be a dessert, it could be whatever you wanted, but it's awesome. And having a caramel sauce being made from condensed milk is food science. You gotta love it. You gotta try the new things. Look at that. There you go. Can't forget some good old whipped cream, Hershey's whipped cream, that is. But there you have it, your caramel banana French toast. Thanks for tuning in. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me up on that good old IG. Have a blessed one.